saw some comments. People were saying, well, the train's going slow enough. It's not really that big of a problem. Well, it is. If nobody's even stopping to begin with. Anyway, it's about 4:15. All these cars here now I go to cross, all of them are running. At least he stopped and looked. Dun, 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 dun. Like I said, round 2. Sad they got to creep through town because of people not paying attention. Or just not caring. Yeah, I thought I'd get a little bit further away from that curb right there, just because it is so annoyingly loud. I don't know, what do you think? You think Iron Mountain needs to do something here? Because I've never seen more violations along the railroad than I have in this town. I could literally sit here and just make compilation videos of the idiot drivers of Iron Mountain. I could probably even start a new channel and make it huge. I don't know why people are so stupid. Anyway, it's Friday. Normally the railroad takes Saturday off. Normally. With the amount of center beams they got here and all the full pulpwood, they'll be working at the mill a full day when they are working, so probably won't see a train back through here until, I don't know, Monday? Boy, that car right there is way too full. And that car right there is way too full. They stick as much as they can on there, as much as they can get away with, but you see the white line on these two cars? White line, that's where it's supposed to be filled to, not to the very top. But they got her done. I looked at my temperature on the way over here. It was 92 degrees. Sunny, muggy, and hot. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. How long before we see a wreck? How long before a car smacks the train or the train smacks a car? This year or next? And can we put some grease on these rails right here and quiet it down, please? Thank you.